Salut tout le monde. Now our topic is French definite articles. I have already told in my short video that we have only one way to say the in English, but in French we have four different ways to say the, which denotes definite article. And these are le, la, l'apostrophe and les. First we begin with les. It is the easiest one because les we are using for plural nouns. Plural nouns means the word which ends in s. If you remember, I have already told in my previous video that in French we are not pronouncing the s. Okay? We understand by the word that it is plural and we put les, les for plural noun which denotes definite article. Okay, but we don't pronounce s, but in English we pronounce it the tables, but here we pronounce like les tables, but in English the tables. Next example, les chaises. We don't pronounce this s. Okay, les chaises, the chairs. Les voitures, voiture means car. Les voitures, that is the cars. Now comes to the l'apostrophe. This one we use with the words which begin with the vowel or it starts with h. Remember that h is also considered as vowel in French. Okay, but it is always silent in the word. We don't pronounce it. For example, l'arbre. It begins with vowel a. Okay, and it ends in e, which is also vowel. So l'arbre, that is the tree. Hôpital, we don't pronounce h. L'hôpital. When we use this article, so it becomes l'hôpital, the hospital. Moving ahead, le and la. Le we are using for masculine noun. The word which are masculine in gender. Okay. La for feminine noun. Now you have that question in mind. How we came to know that the word is feminine or the word is masculine. So when we talk about the indefinite articles, in that video also I told you that 75% cases it happens that the words which are ending in e they are feminine and rest 25% are exceptional, which you came to know by reading or by going through yourself only. So it will come by experience that which word is feminine and which one is masculine. Okay. Coming to the example of feminine, la. La tomate. It ends with e, so we pronounce it completely tomate, and this one is feminine. So la tomate. Which article we put before it? La tomate. Tomato. La chaise. It also ends in e. The chair. La table. La table. The table. La voiture. The car. La cassette. The cassette. La carotte, the carrot. Even we have one exception, television. Television, you know, television. Television is not masculine, it is feminine word. Okay, this one is the exceptional case because television is not ending in e, it ends in n. On, pronunciation is on, but we use definite article la before it. Okay. After that comes the example of le, masculine noun. Le cinema, the cinema. Le sac, the bag. Le bateau, boat. Le stylo, the pen. Le chocolat, that is the chocolate. They are not ending in e. So it is easy for you to put le, definite article before it. But here we have some exceptional cases which ends in e, but they are not masculine, they are not feminine. Like le verre means the glass, le livre, the book, le téléphone, the telephone. They are exceptional cases and more are there. Now, tell me a short game with you. What comes for banana? What is banana? Banana. Which gender it is having, feminine or masculine? So it is feminine. So we put la before it. Porte. Again it is ending in e. So we use la. Okay. La before it. Then comes ballon. Here it is very easy to understand because it is having s. That means it is plural. So les ballons. ball it means, okay? And single balo, there is no S. So this one is masculine. Le balo. Tableau. Tableau. Here we are not talking about the painting, it is for the board and all. So it is also masculine. Le. L'ordinateur. What comes here? It ends with R, air. It starts with vowel, so we put L apostrophe. Okay? No confusion if a word starts with vowel. We simply put L apostrophe before it. Okay? If you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment in my comment box. Do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt. We'll come back soon in a short video with more examples of definite article. Au revoir.